Vice President of this Kendra, Sri Karri Ramireddy Garu.
Good morning to all yoga sadhaks and yoga teachers. Without yoga sadhaks and yoga teachers, this is not impossible. As Yogachari Dr. Samsi Reddy said, there are several diseases in which it is addressed without operation. That's the height of it. Generally, curing diabetes and some other hypertension is not it's a small peanut for Dr. Samsi Reddy Garu, but he has cured several persons I know personally who are suffering from L4, L5, S1. Surgery is must. In one day you have to get surgery, otherwise you will be paralyzed. Many neurophysicians and neurosurgeons have suggested that. But Samsi Reddy Garu has addressed it in 1 month. So, since 6 to 7 years, there is no surgery and there is no pain for them. So, this service he is rendering since 24 years. And October 2024, I got L4, L5 compression. I also got sciatica pain. Immediately, anybody will go to some doctor or physician or some neurophysician or neurosurgeon. But immediately, I reside exactly opposite to Dr. Samsi Reddy Garu house. I went to him and told him. And he has told simple exercise for 5 to 10 minutes. He told you have to do for life. If you stop, again it will recur. In this 45 days, I reduced 100% pain without any medication, with breathing techniques and some exercises. And I am continuing it. And he has given another breathing exercise. So, every individual is unique. You will address problem in such a way, what is his problem, how you have to address him. For each individual, he will use separate exercise. That's very beauty of his unconditional love towards society. I thank you, Samsi Reddy Garu, for rendering valuable services this last 24 years. And I thank Chief Guest Professor Kalpana Reddy Garu, retired Vice Principal MHR Girls High School. And I also thank Guest of Honor Srimati Kodur Sri Vani Parvati Garu, coming from all the way from city in the outskirts in respect of Dr. Samsi Reddy Garu. And you are a guru to our Dr. Samsi Reddy Garu in MSc Yoga, sir? Yes. I know you got teaching from Madam. Yeah. Thank you, Madam. You have given a great student to our yoga sadhaks. So several teachers and professors and has helped Dr. Samsi Reddy Garu, and he is a learner continuously. Every day he will adopt several new things. You can say every 6 months he will do some PhD of his own. So we can say he has several PhDs. So it's not a joke. His son is also my guru, who is Shankar Reddy, who resides in States. I will be in touch with him every 1 month. He has adopted fasting therapy to our yoga sadhaks. It's outstanding. If you do fasting, you will get autophagy. And personally, he and Samsi Reddy Garu advised me to do autophagy. I thought I may do for 1 day or 2 days. I have done for 23 days and my body is so light, and stayed with 9 lemons and 3 teaspoons of rock salt. That's all. For entire 23 days, I not touched anything, but they have taken care of my all blood markers. They have seen all the blood markers every day, monitored every day. Dr. Samsi Reddy garu and his son Shankar garu. And 23rd day, I stopped it, and he has given some intermittent fasting diet for entire life. We have to eat 6-hour window, 8-hour window, depends upon our this thing. So 1 month back, also he told me, you again do this fasting, not for this 23 days, at least once in 6 months for 3 days. I also suggest our all yoga sadhaks and yoga teachers to do every 6 months, at least 3 days fasting, depending upon their body. Your body will tell, stop, you have to stop it. But you have to check your blood markers. Without checking blood markers, if you do fasting, you may be ending up with serum electrolytes, sodium, if it comes to 120 below, you will be in coma. So mandatorily you have to check electrolytes, and you have to under the supervision of Dr. Samsi Reddy garu only, you have to do water fasting. It's very, very important. By your own you should not do. Thank you, sir, once again, Samsi Reddy garu and all yoga teachers and yoga sadhaks. Without taking any fees or any remuneration, unconditionally, all lady yoga teachers and yoga male yoga teachers, they are rendering service. I also thanks all of them. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.